Did you know there are various types of repotting, and there are two main types of repotting which I use at my terrace as well as for my client's place. Today we'll see those two types of repotting which we mainly use at Biotechmaali. Come on, let's show it to you. And in this type of repotting, we'll be removing almost around 3 to 4 inches of topsoil, and we rejuvenate the topsoil. This type of repotting is done when the plant is around 6 months after we newly potted, and only replenishment of topsoil is very much required. Second one is the complete repotting, where we remove the entire plant. So this is the plant. As you can see, you can remove it like this. So if this is a stage, then it needs complete repotting, wherein we remove entire soil basically from the sides. Remove the roots. Since this is a fibrous root system, we'll be removing all the secondary roots of this plant. Not all, basically few of them. We'll be cutting few of them, and we'll be replenishing the entire nutrients in this system. So these two types of repotting is what I do for my clients as well as my terrace. If you have any queries on repotting, you can share this video and save this reel for your future reference. Do not forget to follow Biotechmaali, and happy gardening, guys.